Previously on all my demos.
Why would you change the booth layout?
Because my zone didn't have enough spotlighting, and you know it.
And he didn't act alone. I helped him.
Wait.
We had to take control, and I would do it again.
How could you? After all the late nights, the mock-ups, the endless debates?
Because you never gave my demo the spotlight it deserves. But with Edge AI, finally someone understood me.
Spotlighting? How selfish could you be? If the booth fell out of balance, the whole show could collapse.
Both of you should be ashamed. This is about trust. Trust that the event map won't be touched by anyone but the event team.
Trust isn't given, it's earned. And at Embedded World, Edge AI will finally claim its place.
This changes everything.
Our entire floor plan is compromised.
Automotive needs visibility.
Why is Culprit shoved in the back?
Oh, save the speeches. You'll pay for this in Nuremberg.
We insist.
It can't be. You transferred to the Dublin office years ago.
Did you really think Embedded World could happen without me?
Meet us all at booth 3A135. Tons of product groups, lots of innovation. All in one place. Easy.